Welcome to the Batiste experience for curly hair. We'll show you how to take your curls from mess to yes instantly with Batiste Dry Shampoo. First, we prep. Start at your roots and work out any knots. Section your hair and grab your Batiste Dry Shampoo. Now shake it up. Hold the nozzle about 12 inches away from your hair and spray lightly at the root. You can even spray any curls that need some extra love. Oh yeah, this dry shampoo smells good. Like really good. See that white stuff? That's the real magic. It soaks up excess oils and gives your hair that fresh feeling between washes. Massage your head to distribute the dry shampoo evenly. The more you massage, the more it blends. Voila! Refreshed, clean feeling hair in an instant. You can even use the added grip and texture to try a new look, like a side twist. And there you have it, the full Batiste experience for curly hair.